I'm Gordon Herbert from House of Herbert, Bespoke Dining. I've got the lucky opportunity to spend this afternoon cooking on a brand new Wolf BBQ. It's got a complete outside kitchen setup, looks absolutely amazing. It's absolutely screaming hot inside there. It's going to be perfect for all kinds of steaks, burgers, sausages. Right, ladies and gentlemen, got some halloumi on a hot, screaming hot grill. Just going to give it literally a couple of minutes each side. That's all it needs. Beautiful grill marks on it. That's what gives it the flavour. Perfect. Just put on 4 traditional hung pork sausages from Prior's Hall. Natural skins, full of flavour, nice and dry, not too much fat. Looking absolutely superb already. Right, so guys, before we go any further, I'm just going to toast some buns off ready for the burgers. Keep turning the sausages. Again, this thing is so hot, it's just amazing. Right, just going to follow up, pop a few burgers on. 100% prime beef burgers I made myself. 80 to 20% ratio on fat to lean beef. So we get a nice bit of fat to stop the burger from drying out. Do half turn, get the sear marks, the crisscross. I always cook with the lid down. No necessity on this thing. These are ready to go. We've got the H&H Classic Burger, which is a 2 patty bun with H&H special sauce, onions, pickles and cheese. We've then got Prior's Hall traditional sausage. It's been hung for not shy of a week in a brioche bun. The next one I'm going to do in a second will be the Big H, which is basically the McDonald's Big Mac, but far better quality, far bigger taste. So I'm now going to put some prawns on. All right, these are going to flame up fairly quickly. So guys, we're going to straight on with the prawns. These are the marinated with a little bit of olive oil, a little bit of garlic, a little bit of tarragon, and just a cheeky amount of Pernod to give them some flavour. Just give it a few moments more. Then we'll add a little bit of Pernod. Tummy side up. Make sure we get them cooked in the middle. Beautiful, sweet, succulent prawns these are. And there we go, just a little bit of a flambe, just to add a little bit of flavour and a bit of theatre. We're almost there. Just going to shut the lid just for a second or two, just to seal them off. Okay, so this is a tarragon mayonnaise, made it last night. Usual, straightforward mayonnaise. These are lovely and ready. Then to top it all off, I'll add a little bit of the homemade mayonnaise we chatted about earlier. There we go, ready to go. Just a lovely, sweet mouthful of prawn. In the meantime, we've now got on a Spanish marinated pork with chorizo and onion and pepper kebabs. See these on the barbecue. These will now be topped with a homemade red pepper hummus. Nice little taste of Spain. Can't wait to try this one. Go now with the pork and chorizo kebabs. I'm just going to place them straight onto a board, ready for serving. Beautiful, beautiful flavours here. So now we're ready to prep the tomahawk. It's been in the sous vide for about an hour now. I've just wrapped the bone just a little bit of tin foil just to protect it because you don't want a black looking bone. The tomahawk has been on there for a little while, nicely seasoned, loads of flames. So we've got a nice bit of fat nicely toasted. I'll let it rest there just for a moment or so. I'll go get some potatoes. Right, so ladies and gentlemen, I've got some parboiled new potatoes. Parboiled those yesterday. Last night they just sat in just a little bit of olive oil, freshly crushed garlic and rosemary. Right, I'm going to take the Tom Hawk can rest for a little while. I now remove the foil. So there we go. I'm going to let that rest for 4 or 5 minutes before I carve it. Now also to accompany it, I'm going to put a few corn on the cobs on. Again, just for a little bit of flavour. Here we go. The truth is in the cutting. Now that to me is a perfect piece of beef. We'll top it with the homemade chimichurri. And then the icing on the cake, a lovely bit of smoked sea salt. So we've got roasted new potatoes. I'm just going to top those with a little bit of garlic, rosemary oil, smoked sea salt, but just normal sea salt. Just give it a little bit of flavour. Again, the cobs, just finish them off. A little bit of butter and a little bit of maple syrup. Makes it a little bit different. Taste just a little bit more unique. Right, so now we've got a freshly cut pineapple. All I've literally done is peeled it and just topped it with a little bit of icing sugar. Get on a nice hot grill. Whole idea is just want to get some charred marks on it. Nice bit of caramelisation going on. The natural sugars are extremely helpful, but also the icing sugar just gives you that little edge. Then we'll take it straight off the grill and I'll serve that. Some nice fresh fruit, mint, ice cream and glossy cream.